In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed ClickUp in Notion. By the end, you'll have a live ClickUp view sitting right inside your Notion page, so you can track work without switching tabs. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign into your workspace. Once you're in, head to the space that contains the tasks or projects you want to show in Notion. Spaces are your top-level containers in ClickUp, so pick the one that makes sense for your audience in Notion, like your team's operations or a specific project area. Inside that space, choose the exact view you want to embed, either a board view if you prefer columns and drag and drop cards, or a list view if you want a clean, table-style layout. Take a moment to filter or sort the view the way you want it to appear in Notion. The embed will reflect what you're seeing here. Next, click the Share button in the top area of ClickUp. This opens the sharing panel for the current view. You'll see options to share with your team or generate a link. Copy the link for this view. If your organization limits link access, just keep in mind that people without permission may be prompted to log in when viewing it from Notion. That's normal behavior based on your ClickUp settings. Now switch over to Notion and open the page where you want the embed to live. This could be a dashboard, a project wiki, or any page your team already uses. Click into the page and type / then the word embed to insert an embed block. Notion will pop up a field asking for a URL. Paste the ClickUp link you copied a moment ago into that field, then select Embed Link. Notion will load a live, scrollable version of your ClickUp view directly on the page. Give it a moment to render. Once it appears, you can interact with it like you would in ClickUp, within the limits of your permissions. A few quick tips to polish the result. Drag the edges of the embed block to resize it so more tasks are visible. If your Notion page supports it, turning on full-width layout can give your board or list more breathing room. Add a short heading or description above the embed so teammates understand what they're looking at and which filters are applied. That's it. Open ClickUp, choose the space and view, copy the share link, and embed it in Notion with the /embed command. You've now connected planning and documentation in one place, making status checks faster and collaboration smoother.